Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a mid-V fade. First, we'll establish our initial guideline. Using a trimmer or a zero-gap clipper, create a clean line about 1 inch above the ear, extending around the head. This foundational line is crucial for a symmetrical fade, so take your time to ensure it's perfectly even on both sides. This sets the stage for a sharp, professional look. Next, we'll begin blending. With no guard on your clipper, bald out the hair below your initial guideline. Then, attach a 1/8 inch guard and create a new guideline about 1/2 inch above the bald area. Now, using your clipper with the lever half open, gently blend the harsh line between the bald section and the 1/8 inch section. This creates a smooth transition, laying the groundwork for your fade. Now, let's continue building our fade. Attach a 1/4 inch guard and create a new guideline about 1/2 inch above the last one. Then, using your 1/8 inch guard with the lever fully open, blend the line between the 1/8 and 1/4 inch sections. Repeat this technique with a 3/8 inch guard, creating another 1/2 inch guideline and blending it into the previous section. This gradual increase in length is key. Finally, we'll define the V shape and add finishing touches. Carefully sculpt the V at the back of the head, ensuring it's symmetrical and sharp. Use clipper over comb or shear over comb techniques to seamlessly blend the longer hair on top into your fade. Take a moment to check for any harsh lines or stray hairs, softening them for a polished look. Your mid-V fade is now complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.